How effective are the AWS Analytics services? Data analytics is an increasingly essential process for the organizations of all sizes and industries. It enables organizations and industries to reinvent their business with data. The process requires securely collect, access, and analyze massive amounts of data by applications and people. It is important to build a modern data architecture that breaks down all your data silos for analytics and insights, including third-party data, and puts it in the hands of everyone in the organization with end-to-end governance. It is also increasingly important to connect your analytics and machine learning systems to enable predictive analytics. AWS provides a comprehensive set of analytics services that fit all of your data analytics needs, from storage and management, data governance, actions, and experiences. AWS offers purpose-built services that provide the best price performance, scalability, and lowest cost. Now the question is how to choose analytics services in AWS. In an organization or industry, data volumes are coming from new and diverse sources and increasing at an unprecedented rate. Organizations need to extract data volume but struggle to capture, store, and analyze all the data generated by today's modern businesses. In addition, data needs to be securely accessed and analyzed by applications and people. Therefore, it is important to build a modern data architecture on AWS services. Before you proceed, you must know how to break down your data silos by connecting your data lake and data warehouses, your system silos by connecting ML and analytics, and your people silos by putting data in the hands of everyone in your organization. In a nutshell, a modern data strategy should empower your teams to run analytics or ML, manage who has access to data, break down data silos, and store any amount of data.